Right now I'm at the Magento 2 web store, as you can see. So it's a multi-vendor marketplace login page here. So for that, to reach the login page, I'll just tap here on the sign in button first, or the link, and then we'll be entering our username password for the customer account. Tap the sign in button and we are signed into our customer account. Now let me scroll to a category first, and let me show you how the customers can access the vendors in place of the products within a category. So for example, if I go to gears, and under that we have the bags category, let me tap that up. Now here actually under the bags, if we see the default flow, we should have the what we say as the products being displayed here. But right now you can see that we have two different sellers here, and one is a test user, and another one is the Veronica Costello. So here you can see the sellers in place of the products, and on that we can see the view collection page option for each of the sellers that have been added under the respective category for the bags. So the customers can directly tap here on this, or can open that up as well. So if you tap that up, this will bring up the marketplace sellers collection page. So this is the page for that particular seller. If I tap here on the view collection page, then we'll see the collection page on the same page. Now here you can see the seller name as well, and under the seller collection here you can see the different bags that this particular vendor is selling out within the multi-vendor marketplace for the Magento 2 platform. And from here the customers can add the products to the cart, and thereafter they can make a checkout so as to purchase the products from the store itself. So that's how the customers can access the vendors directly under the different categories within your Magento 2 based multi-vendor marketplace store. And you can set up the vendors to be displayed in place of the products for each of the respective categories that you have. Now let me take you to the store backend, and let's see how the admin can configure this particular plugin, and thereafter we'll be seeing how we can set up the vendors for the categories, how we can replace that up. So for that I'll just take you to the admin backend panel now. So let's log into our Magento 2 based multi-vendor marketplace backend panel, and right now you can see that I've logged into my account, right? And now let's navigate to the categories section by navigating to catalog and then categories, and this would display the complete list of categories along with the childs and subchilds. So here you can see that we on the category page right now. So you can set up this functionality to display the category in place of the products for a category. You can set up to display the vendors for the same. So you can create a new category and do it. Otherwise, if you already have created one category, you can do the same for that already created category as well. So if I tap here on the gear category, let it come up. Now here we need to make two changes. That is, if it's a new one, you'll have to enable it, and for the new category, I'm telling you, you'll have to enable the category, include it in the menu, set up the category name. Then you have to navigate to the display settings for that category, and for the display mode you need to choose sellers only, right? So this will only display the sellers for this particular category. With default we have the product static block and the static block and the products. Now we have the sellers only. Within using this particular plugin, this functionality is there for the display settings of a category, so that you can assign what exactly to show on a particular category page, whether you want to have a product or you want to have the sellers only. So we'll choose the sellers only, and thereafter we also have one more option here under the particular category, that's the sellers in category. Now here the admin can find all of the marketplace sellers, and from this list the admin can choose which sellers should be displayed within this particular category. That's the gear ID or the bags one. So if we go to the bags category, we'll be able to see the already selected sellers in the category, And if we go to the storefront once again, and I'll tap on the back button, so here you can see that we have a test user and Veronica Costello. So Veronica Costello and the test user name, the seller ID, the logo pic, and the shop URL is here. So you can choose the sellers within this particular category. You can have more sellers as well as per your own requirement if they are selling the same kind of products like the bags, and you can do for the other categories as well. So for a new one, you'll enable the category, include it in the menu, set the category name. Display settings should be set to the display mode to the sellers only, and then you can choose the sellers in the category, and then you just need to tap here on the save button to save this particular functionality for your category. And thereafter, when the customer accesses that particular category at the storefront, he'll be able to see the multiple sellers that are selling out the same product, that's the banks, and from there the customers can navigate to the collection page of the respective vendors and can add the required product that they want to purchase to the cart and can then make a checkout very nicely. So that was much about the plugin itself, and that's the display vendors on the category page for the Magento 2 multi-vendor based marketplace. And I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of this particular plugin. And if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements, then you can always get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you may raise a ticket at webkul.ubdes.com. Thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.